Good day everyone, I'm Kiyane Duana from IT123. In this presentation, I will explain my project titled Logic Puzzle Solver using Propositional Logic and C++ classes. This system was created to apply logic operation through programming and help users better understand how logical implications work in computer science. In this presentation, it contains project scenario and code implementations. In the next slide is the project scenario. In our digital age, logic puzzles are fun and educational way to improve our thinking skills. However, not everyone finds it easy to analyze clues and figure out logical outcomes just by using pen and paper. To solve this, I developed a C++ program that helps user logic puzzles involving three variables using propositional logic, a topic that discussed in discrete structure too. In the next slide is the program overview. The program lets the user input three logical variables such as A, B, and C. Each variable can either be true or false. Then users define a logic rule using operators like and, or, and not. This system will automatically generate all eight possible truth combinations and evaluate if the rule holds true in each case. This makes it easier to understand truth tables and how logical statements behave. In the next slide is the learning outcomes. This logic puzzle solver helps users visualize how logical expressions are evaluated, and it shows how the truth values change the outcome of a logical implications, and it also introduces key programming concepts like conditional statements, loops, and especially classes in C++. The code is modular and extendable, making it easier to add more logic rules or variables in the future. In the next slide is the C++ implementation. Number one is class encapsulation. From the C++ side, this project uses classes to encapsulate the variables and logic expression, and it uses array and loops usage. It also uses arrays and loops to iterate through truth combination and it uses modular code. This keeps the code modular and easy to extend if more variables or logic functions are added in the future. In the next slide is the sample puzzle. Let's take a real life example. Example is A is equal to it's raining, and B is equals to I have an umbrella, and C is I will get wet. The rule says if it's raining and I don't have an umbrella, then I will get wet. In logic, this becomes A and not B implies C. The program checks if this implications is true or for all eight possible combination of A, B, and C. In the next slide is the code implementation. The code is written in C++ and uses a class called logical puzzle. Inside the class, the constructor stores the values of A, B, and C, and the evaluate implication open and close parenthesis check if the rule is true, and the print result shows the values and the result of true or false. In the main and open close parenthesis function, three nested loops generate all truth values combination from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. For each program runs the logic and prints the result in the truth table, and this shows clearly which combination satisfies the rule. That's all everyone. Thank you for listening.